Alright guys, this week I got into an accident and here's the state of my car, and it's just a little bit of mess in the front, and most of the damage is just in the front end. I'm gonna try to fix this myself, and we're gonna do a series on how we're gonna fix it, and we're gonna do it using the tools that I have. Yeah, I mean, as far as you can see, there's no real damage to the engine or anything. It's all in the front. I mean, this thing is bent. You may need to either replace it or unbend it. And yeah, I mean, all the main stuff seems to be intact. There's just got crushed a little bit in here. So we're gonna try to fix the hood first. We're gonna try to unbend the hood first, and then fix this, and then replace the headlights, replace the bumper, which we already ordered from eBay. I'm gonna put a link there. This is a 2009 Camry SE, so it was a pain in the neck to find some parts, but yeah. So we're gonna try to do that with as cheaply as possible.